Hey, hey, American Crochet Association, Salena Baca here, founder, host, lead educator with the ACA, and I'm here just to make a quick video tutorial to show you how to add a crochet project to your Ravelry account. Now, there's lots of reasons that you may want to do this. I added some reasons down below, and I'm going to talk about it after I go through this tutorial. So, there's a few different ways you can do this, but I'm going to show you one way in particular. So if you're on Ravelry and you're looking at the menu bar at the top, what I want you to do is click on Patterns. And this is a really great way to add your project if you're following a pattern and you already know that the pattern is listed here or you want to see if it's listed here. So I'm actually looking for a very specific pattern. It's called the woven washcloth. Crochet members, that's going to make sense in a little bit. And then you're just going to find the pattern in particular that you're looking for. Maybe you know already what the pattern name is, but specifically make sure that the person who wrote the pattern, that their name is attached, okay? Because sometimes, like we just saw, woven washcloth, there was more than one listing. Okay, so I found the pattern. I know it's by Salena Baca. So this is the pattern that I want to attach my project to because this is the one that I followed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look up here under Create Project. So I'm going to click that link. I can name it something differently if I'd like, maybe, you know, by yarn or who it's for or something like that. But I'm just going to call it the woven washcloth and I'm going to click Create Project. Okay, from here, there is tons of information that you can put in, okay? And if you're looking from the top down, I'm just going to make it really easy. And I'm just going to say, let's click on Edit Project. Okay, so let's start there. I'm going to click on Edit Project. And again, lots of things that you can do. It looks like there's lots of empty spaces, lots of stuff that we can put in. We can get as detailed or as minimal as we want to be on this. Let's just start from the middle and work our way down. Name, woven washcloth. Do I want to put who it's made for? Do I want to link a Raveler, someone on Ravelry? Finish date, the size that I made, pattern name, what craft is it, it's crochet, what category is it in, do I want to add any tags, what size hook did I attach or did I use to make this, what yarn did I use, do I want to add any notes. Now again, you can get as detailed as you want on that or not, it's entirely up to you. I will say that I really like to make sure that my yarn is added in, because sometimes I forget what yarn is used and, you know, anyway, it's just a really nice way to detail in that yarn. What is the status? It's finished. How happy am I with the project? Pretty happy. It's finished. You know, start date, completed date. Do I want to, you know, add any of that in? You can. You don't have to. Do I want to share this with a group? What's my overall rating? How satisfied am I with the pattern? I'm going to give it 5 stars. How clear was the pattern? I'm going to give it 5 stars. Difficulty, I thought it was a piece of cake, so I'm going to go ahead and post that. Okay, now after I add in all that information, I'm not going to fumble through with yarn and things like that, but it's pretty quick and easy to just click add yarn and type it in from there. And what I'm going to do is save changes. Okay. Now, another thing that I want to do is add a picture because pictures are always great, right? So I already have the picture that I want to use, so I'm just going to drag and drop. And I'm going to fumble through this just a little bit because I am not the tech savvy. All right, can I do, oh, I can do that. Yay! All right, so that is loading. My picture is loading. You can add as many pictures as you want, as little pictures as you want. I like to add a variety of pictures just because it's, you know, maybe an item by itself, maybe with it in use, maybe, you know, however many you want. Again, this is your crochet resume. It's kind of your guidebook for all the things that you've done, so you can go as detailed or as minimalist as you want. I feel like I've said that a few times. All right, my internet is taking its time. I am finished with photos. And there you have it. So now that I've added in the information that I want and the image that I want, here is my project right here. So this is going to be attached to the particular pattern that we found. So anytime we're looking at woven washcloth And here's that pattern listing right here. We're going to see this pattern under projects, so in the About This Pattern section. So when I click on that, we're going to see everyone's woven washcloth pattern, and because mine is brand new, it's not listed there yet, but I'm sure if I refresh or if I come back in a little bit, it will be there. So that's one place where we can see this pattern. Another place, our project. Another place where we can see our project, if we go back up here to the main menu, we're going to look under My Notebook and we're going to click on Projects. And as soon as I do that, it's going to take me to all of the projects I have ever created ever. And here is my woven washcloth right there. So there you guys have it. That's a quick and easy way for you guys to add a project to Ravelry. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more, okay? All right, real quick before I end, I'm going to say thank you for checking in, Nancy, and Happy New Year. Thank you for checking in, Dawn. So good to see you here. And my friend, Monica Mercado. So good to see you here. All right, everybody, thanks for checking in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Peace, love, crochet. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.